Hello, in this short lesson we're going to restructure the vertex buffer creation. In the next videos I'm going to show you a few different buffer types. So I add this function called createBuffer that returns a buffer handle. It will take the size that will be required for the buffer, the usage flags for that buffer, and the memory property flags that we would want. Now I go into the CPP file and paste the signature. Adding braces and making it part of the graphics class. We'll actually take a lot of the code from the createVertexBuffer and move it in this new method. I start with the buffer handle construction and return. Then the buffer handle below will be equal to the new function call. Next I take this buffer info and I will replace the buffer info size calculation with the size parameter. I paste the size calculation as the first parameter. Actually, this doesn't look too good. I create a new variable size and pass it the size variable. We also have these usage bits here. I set the usage param and move the vertex specific usage to the createVertexBuffer method. Now I can clear this from below. I also cut the buffer creation. And I cut off this memory allocation. Here we will only replace these properties that we are searching for in the memory type and move these ones where we set that we want host memory to the call of the createBuffer. Now the createBuffer should be okay. We're not going to move the actual mem copy, but we can use the size variable here. I'll quickly build and run to see if this refactoring brought any errors, but it seems all fine.